Today we're going to make everybody's favorite chicken fried rice. And the ingredient is white rice, and you cook it the day before, and you keep it in the refrigerator. You wet your hand and lose all the rice, and you could look at my shrimp fried rice. How am I going to do that? And then the bean sprout, some chicken breast, 2 eggs, some scallion, and some mixed vegetable. Use a frozen mixed vegetable is the best. And now we're going to marinate the chicken first. I already cut it up. Some cornstarch, a little bit of sugar. The restaurant, they probably use MSG, but I don't use MSG, and I just use the sugar instead. And light soy sauce, and then I use a grapeseed oil. And I put a little bit of water, and you just mix it up. And let it sit for about maybe 10 minutes. And now the wok is hot. I put a little bit of grapeseed oil. And there's a couple eggs in there. Just scramble the egg. Okay, now the egg is done. Like I say, do not cook it too hard. And now I add a little bit more the grapeseed oil. You could use the same wok. You don't have to wash it. And then you can put your chicken in there. Put your chicken first. Now the chicken is all turned white, and then you know it's done. Then it's time to take it out. And then you have to clean your wok. Okay, now the wok is clean, and now the wok is hot. And now time to put I use a grapeseed oil. Put a little bit of grapeseed oil. Not too much. When you make fried rice, do not put too much oil. It won't taste right. So you put your rice in there. And you can hear the sizzling. And then you can put your frozen mixed vegetable at the same time until they're frozen and they're cold. So you gotta stir it, keep stir it about maybe for 10 minutes until you feel the rice is hot. Now it's about 10 minutes, and then you can feel it, the rice is hot. And then put my chicken in there first. And then time to add seasoning. Some sea salt. A little bit of sugar. That's why I always say I never use the sugar instead of MSG. The outside restaurant, they use MSG. Black pepper. A little bit of light soy sauce. And a little bit of dark soy sauce. And another secret ingredient is a little bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce, just a little bit. Do not put too much because fish sauce is really salty. And then you got great flavor. You see the color is changing. Now it's time to add your egg. You can chop it right there. And now your bean sprout. If you don't like bean sprout, you don't have to add the bean sprout. And the last one, scallion. And you just mix it up. And now it's ready. And now we're ready to serve. And nobody shouldn't get hungry with this pile. Here you go. Your chicken fried rice ready.